In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft's Copilot to enhance your writing and bring a professional polish to your documents. This tool is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to improve the clarity, conciseness, and overall quality of their writing. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser of choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other, and navigate to the Copilot website by typing in copilot.microsoft.com in the address bar. This will bring you to the homepage of Copilot, Microsoft's tool designed to assist with refining your writing. The interface here is quite user-friendly, and you'll see a prompt area where you can interact with the tool. Now, let's move on to your Word document. Open it up and locate the section or sections of text you'd like to refine. Highlight this text, right-click, and select Copy. Make sure you've captured all the text you want to work on because next, we'll be taking it over to Copilot to give it a polished touch. With your text copied, head back to the Copilot web page. In the text input box, you'll want to start by typing a prompt. A good starting prompt could be, refine the following text to make it clear, concise, and professional. Keep the meaning, but improve grammar and flow. This prompt is key because it tells Copilot exactly what you need it to do. Enhance clarity, ensure conciseness, and maintain a professional tone, all while preserving the original meaning of your document. You'll notice that giving Copilot a specific and straightforward prompt is crucial for getting the best possible results. Next, you'll paste the text from your Word document right after your prompt. It's important to include the section you want to refine. In this case, your text on the struggles and growth of modern business. Once you have everything ready, go ahead and run the process. Copilot will work its magic, analyzing your text and providing you with a refined version. At this point, take a moment to review the output from Copilot. Look over the suggested edits and improvements. This is your opportunity to see how the tool has enhanced your writing, improved clarity, provided better flow, and polished the grammar. If after reviewing you still feel the text could be more succinct, you can prompt Copilot again for further refinement. Simply instruct it to make it shorter. This additional refining step can be particularly useful if you're working with content that needs to fit a specific word count, or if brevity is especially important for your project. So there you have it. A clear and comprehensive way to use Microsoft's Copilot to elevate the quality of your text. With this approach, you can ensure your writing is both professional and engaging, making for effective communication in any context. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.